Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn SST. So today I have come with a new lesson, and the name of the lesson is Duties and Responsibilities of Parents Towards Their Children. So let's get started. Family is the pillar of society. Indeed, the way the family members are raised is essential to building a generation capable of successful withstanding all the difficulties of life. Therefore, parents should take an interest in everything their children face at home or out, listening and discussing different matters with them. Parents should guide their kids to respect common customs, rights, abide by moral values, and respect customs and traditions. Eventually, it would be good for the family and for society. This is activity 2 from the textbook. Please go through. This is activity 3 again from the book. Please go through. An 8-year-old girl, Vadima, was killed by her own father in 2012, which shook the UAE society. Hence, in the memory of Vadima, the law has been enforced by His Highness Sheikh Khalifa, may God have mercy upon him, on 8th March 2016 and came into force on 15 June 2016. It protects the children's right to live, survive, and develop. It also protects the child from negligence, exploitation, and abuse. Article 29 Telecommunications companies and internet service providers shall notify the competent authorities or the concerned entities of any child inappropriate materials being circulated through the internet. And in the Article 56, which states that the competent authorities and concerned entities shall coordinate with the Ministry of Social Affairs to determine the standards and engineering specifications related to the construction laws and safety and security conditions that protect the children from any type of harm in order to reduce risk of children falling off of house balconies and so on. This is activity 4 from the textbook. Please go through. As well as being a loyal patriot until last day, my father was a great parent who was very loving, caring, and good hearted. He loved his family greatly and looked after the boys and girls equally. He used to gather us and discuss different life related topics. He often took our opinions and encouraged us to abide by the honesty and loyalty and love for the family, country, and towards work. He was socially active and generous towards others. He stood by them in their moments of joy and sadness and earned their love and respect. He was a great teacher and a great role model and will always be alive in our hearts. Now, this is activity from the textbook. Please go through. Let us see the family, the kinds of family which we have. The nuclear family includes the parents and their children. Then we have the extended family, which includes the grandparents, uncles, aunts, and can extend to 3 generations. Then the next type of family is a single parent family, a family that has lost one of the parents either through death or divorce. And the last one is the joint family, a family that has multiple marriages and half brothers and sisters. Now this is activity 6 from the textbook. Please go through. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos. See you next time with my new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.